Hey, this is Carlin Nathan Aleem, and welcome to Affiliate City. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get all three of your credit reports for $1. That's right, $1. And these are FICO scores. Now, in the credit world, you got two types of actual scores. You have your Vantage score and you have your FICO score. Vantage score is what Identity IQ uses. Vantage score is what Credit Karma uses. People don't really use Advantage scores. It's almost like a cheaper type of score. On the other hand, you have your FICO score. Now, there's many different types of FICO, just like FICO 3 and FICO 9 and FICO 10, FICO 11. And every year they come up with different versions of FICO. But what you're going to see here is in My Score IQ, they're going to give you a FICO score. But again, I'm going to show you how to get it for $1. So you're going to go in here, you're going to go and you're going to use, I got a link down in the description. Okay. You're going to click on that link and it is an affiliate link. So you click on that, you sign up. I do get paid a couple of dollars. Okay. It helps support the channel. But in any case, you're going to get on My Score IQ from the link in the description. You're going to pop over to My Score IQ and it's going to look just like this. Now, when you go on there, right here, it says try 7 days for $1. Then it's $34.99. Now, it's better to have this always tracked. If you're trying to get your credit improved, you want to see what's being taken off and what's coming on here. So you definitely want to keep this on if you can. But if you just want to see your credit score, that's fine also. You go in here, you press enroll. Now, I want to go through this a little bit, okay? They're going to give you the three borough reports and FICO scores, okay, more than one. They're going to give you the three borough daily monitoring and alerts. So what that means is that they're going to monitor your credit. So anything that comes into your credit, they're going to monitor and they're going to give you an alert. There is something called the dark web and internet monitoring. So they're going to make sure that if anything comes up with your name or your credit, that they're going to alert you. And with the purchase of this, with this subscription, you actually get 1 million identity theft insurance. So if your identity gets stolen, you have up to 100 or not 100, $1 million of identity theft insurance. So you got to redefine details on that. But again, if you want this for $1, you're going to get it for 7 days. You got to cancel it. All right. You got to cancel it within that 7 days. So it is a membership. So you're going to go in here again and click the link in the description. You're going to hit enroll now. Once you hit enroll now, what's going to happen is you're going to put in your name. You're going to put in your last name. You're going to put in your email. You're also going to make a username. Put in the password, put in your current address, and then you'll click this, and then you'll hit submit. Once you hit submit, again, this is what you're going to get for that $1. But after this trial is up, it's going to go to $34.99. Is it worth it? I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it, especially if you're looking to improve your credit. Because again, you want to see what's being put on your credit and what's being taken off of your credit. But click the link in the description, get this for $1. And what makes this difference is that you're getting a FICO score. Okay. You're not just getting a or any type of score. And let me show you in here what it looks like. Okay. And this is what you're going to see. All right, so this is what you're going to see. Once you get in here, this is what you're going to see. So as you can see, I got pretty decent credit scores. And the last time that I checked this was, it didn't refresh. So let's refresh this. The first thing it's going to give you is your credit report. So I won't show mine for security reasons, but it's going to give you credit report. Then you have business credit. All right, so here you can level up your business. There's different plans that you can get for business credit, and that's actually an upgrade. I don't have that. You get your FICO score in ingredients. So you can see my score here is in the upper 700s. And why is that? Because I have a good payment history. The amount of debt is super low. The age is okay. They're saying very good, but you have people who have 10 years and 20 years age. So that's okay. And then you have the amount of new credit. So my amount of new credit is low. And as far as my credit mix, I have 15. That's the credit mix, the different types of credits that I have, which is excellent. So if you want to see, and right here, they're giving me FICO score 8. As I mentioned previously, they have like FICO score 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 10, 11. It goes on and on and on. You also have checking account. So if your checking account gets flagged, or you can put your checking account in here so that if anything comes up, repeated overdrafts, um, uncollected fees, suspected fraud, anything, they're going to be on the lookout for. Right here is your credit monitoring alerts, your identity alerts, your tracker, so it can track your actual FICO score. Mine's came from this 642, went all the way up. So this is showing you on FICO score 8, and this is a score simulator. So if you wanted to say, okay, if I did this, this would happen. If I did this, this will happen. So this is going to show you if it comes on. There we go. So this is going to show, okay, if I miss the payment, if I miss the payment, what would happen to my credit score? It would go down. It would go down 80 points if I missed a credit, if I missed a payment. Or what if I applied for new credit? If I applied for a mortgage, all right? I applied for one mortgage. Let's see, required required. What does that mean? Over how many months will you apply for loans? Just say one. Okay, so if I did that, if I applied for a loan, now let's just say I applied for 5 loans. If I apply for 5 loans, as you can see, it won't go down that much, not at all. Okay, let's see if I applied for a auto loan. If I apply for an auto loan, so you can see I can go get 5 loans, 5 mortgages, and an auto loan, and it's only going to go down one. We can also say, okay, if I made regular payments, or if I get a credit card. So if I got a credit card, I applied for a credit card and the limit was 10,000. I did that, my score wouldn't go down that much. Let's try mortgage. Okay, if I take out a mortgage, if I took out a mortgage, apply for and receive a mortgage of, let's say, $100,000, it really wouldn't drop my score that much. So that's what you have here. You have the FICO score simulator, lost wallet. So if you lose your wallet, let's take a look at that. All right. So losing your personal wallet is enough of a headache without worrying that it will lead to stolen identity. So this recommends that you put this information in here. I didn't, but you can do it. And your ID theft insurance, restoration, roadside assistance, family protection. I actually didn't know that they had roadside assistance. But okay, this is a upgrade, so you don't have to get this. That's why I didn't know about it. But this is an upgrade. Let's see, family protection. You can enroll your family members on here also. Let's see. My Score IQ Family Protection extends some of our most valuable identity theft benefits to your children. If they are ever the victim of identity theft, My Score IQ is here to assist you with the identity restoration process and provides insurance to minimize any financial burden. So that's some extra insurance that you have on there. And then you have different articles that they have on there. Okay. So you get all this for $1, and you can keep this on for $34.99. It's one of the best services that I've seen. Here you'll see the credit monitoring and the identity monitoring. So it's going to always update you. It's going to always update you. Okay. Now you can get your score for you can get the transaction, or not the accounts. You can get the accounts for free. So if you go free credit score, or I forgot what the actual what the website is, but you can go on Google and type free credit report, and you have the right to get one free credit report a year. It doesn't give you the score, but it's going to give you the inquiries and all of the accounts on there. So you do that, that's going to be free of charge. And if you go to Credit Karma is free of charge also. But again, they're giving you the Vantage score. They are giving you the Vantage score. They are not giving you the FICO score. And this is what people use. People use your FICO score. Like if you're going to get a mortgage, or if you're going to get a car, they're going to use your FICO score. So that's how you get your FICO score. All right, y'all. If you have any questions, let me know.